welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making cauliflower hot wings. The ingredients we need are 3/4 of a cauliflower, 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of soy milk or unsweetened almond milk, 1/4 of a cup of water, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, salt, black pepper, 3/4 of a cup of panko breadcrumbs, some BBQ sauce, and I've used sriracha for the spice. Before prepping the ingredients, I've put the oven on to 200 to preheat. So in a bowl I have my garlic powder, my flour, my paprika, salt and pepper, and I'm just going to add the water that's mixed with the soy milk and stir it all up to make a batter. If the batter is too thick, add more water, and if it's too runny, we can add more flour. So now we're going to dip the cauliflower into the batter, make sure it's all fully covered, and then go into the panko breadcrumbs. Let me just repeat the process until all the cauliflower is done, and it'll be ready to go on a baking tray. So I've lined them all out separately, giving them space on a parchment sheet on the baking tray, and they'll go into the oven for about 25 minutes. Then they'll come out looking all crispy, ready to be covered in the barbecue sauce for the stage 2 cooking. Put the cauliflower in a bowl and cover with the barbecue and sriracha mixture. Now you don't need to put spice in this, but they are hot wings and I do like chili, so I've added quite a bit of sriracha, and I'm just going to cover each piece of cauliflower as carefully as possible before putting them back on the baking tray. Now they're all covered nicely with the barbecue sauce, put them back on the baking tray, again separated so they don't stick together, and they'll go back in the oven for an extra 20 minutes. 20 minutes later and we have crispy cauliflower hot wings. Thanks very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below.